Hi, friends. I have a song I want to share with you. And for this song, we need to bring our magic fingers. We're going to draw shapes in the air together. First, let's just make sure we draw that we know how to draw all of the shapes we're going to draw. So first, we're going to make a circle. Can you draw a circle in the air with your finger, just like that? Around and around, right? And then next, can you draw a square? A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and they're all straight lines. And the last one is a triangle. For a triangle, do you know what a tent is? Sometimes it's shaped like this. That's also the shape of a triangle. So we're going to start at the top, and we're going to make one line down, and then we're going to go back to the top, and we're going to make another line down, and then we're going to draw across the bottom, just like that, and then we're going to stop. So a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. All right, are you ready? Get those magic fingers ready. We're going to draw our shapes together as we sing our song. Here we go. Make a circle, draw it in the sky. Use your finger, make it round as pie. Pie. Next, let's get ready to make a square. Make a square, make the line so straight. Draw a square, draw 1 or draw 8. Can we draw 8 squares together? I think we can. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the last one? 8. Oh, so much work. Whew, we got to shake out our fingers after all of that work. Let's do one more. Do you remember what the last one is? A triangle. Remember, we're going to start at the top. Draw a triangle, always start at the top. Make a tent, use 3 lines, then stop. 1, 2, 3. Great job, friends! Let's do another one.